Hey, so check it out. I know it's a little too early for Christmas in July, but I found these handcar figures on eBay. They're by Lionel. They're made for their little O-scale handcars. They're too big, but they look great on these Marx ones. So here's a Marx one that I fixed up. Yeah, the handles were broken. I used a piece of the wire from surveyor stakes to make handles, and I had to carefully drill through the handle to get it in there. And I also added some candy canes. I painted it the same blue as I did my Polar Express, so I had a couple cans of that left over, so made it nice for this project. My wife came up with the idea of sprinkling some glitter on it. She said put some silver on, so as I hand painted it, and as I painted I sprinkled the glitter on so the glitter should stick there really good. And some Merry Christmas signs on both sides that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I put up, because one of these little stanchions, whatever these things are, broke off, I put a little candy cane back there too. So we got it all set up. We're going to take it for a spin. I just had to drill up through the bottom and put a screw up in there, and that's what holds Santa Claus there too. So here we go. We'll take him for a spin. It's a great running handcar. I'm going to turn the camera a little bit this way. There we go. Giving Santa and Frosty quite a workout there. I'm hoping to eventually find I have a Donald Duck figure. I'm hoping to find the Daisy one. Let's pick the camera up. We'll kind of follow him around a little bit here. Hand back. Yeah, we'll give him another lap, why not? And we'll set the camera back down, so we'll have another little handcar to run for Christmas time. Goes along really well with my tin plate buildings, and I'll be setting up pretty soon at a local park. And I usually set up a Christmas type scene, even though it's July. Christmas has always been a special time. I always think of my mom when I do something like this. She always made it a really special time of year. Let me move him up there. Alright. So if you aren't afraid to work on small motors, and you can get these Marx handcars pretty reasonable off eBay, and just fix them up, especially if the guys are missing. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.